Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to copy or create a template for a Discord server. Now, you need to know you can only do this if you are a server admin. So if there is a specific server that you want to create a template for, you need to contact a server admin and see if they'll create the template for you and then share the link. Okay, so go to the server that you are an admin on or that you've created. And at the top of the screen, click the drop-down menu for that server. Now, select Server Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. About halfway down, you'll see Server Template. Select that and it will open the Server Template section. This will tell you what the template will copy and what the template won't copy. For example, the template will copy channels and channel topics, it'll copy roles and permissions, and the default server settings, but it won't copy messages or any of that content. It won't copy all of the members in the server or the bots that you have set up, and it won't copy your server icon, your boost, or other perks. So give the template a title in the template title field, and give the template a description in the template description field. Then select Generate Template. You'll get a link that you can share to anyone who would like to use your server setup as a starting point for their server. And that is how you copy a server on Discord. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more quick tech how-to videos coming your way.